Alright, here's part 2. This is what I got done so far. Well, that's a mess up there where that blow-by tube is, ain't it? So coolant stuff that leaked down, I took the thermostat off, or the thermostat housing. But here it is. This is the passenger side of the truck. See, I got the air-to-air off. Turbo's gone. So that's the pipe the turbo sits on. That pipe leaked every time I change the turbo. It's got 2 seals on it, one here and one there, 2 little round seals. And you see it leaked. All this mess you see down here is the remnants from that. There's the air that goes to the I forgot what the hell you call that thing, but that goes to the turbo actuator. And I got my oil line up here sitting to the side here. But yeah, I got the got all the crap off, man. There's the V-pod right there. I mean the V-pod's back there. That's the whatever, man. Nothing's coming out of the exhaust ports. So everything looked good there. But damn chickens is crowing. But anyway, that's where I'm at, man. Got all the stuff on the passenger side off. Now I'm gonna start the work over here. You see I got the top off up here. Got this shroud off, coolant jug. Here's the wires that come off my alternator. I can't think worth a damn this morning, man. Anyway, about to get started. I gotta take these 2 bars here off and take these straps off my hood here on each side and put something under the hood right over here on the outside of it, maybe a table or something, so I can flip the hood back a little further back. And yesterday was the passenger side, today's gonna be the driver's side. So need to take the intake off and all that stuff, the crossover pipe for the EGR, take all that mess off and try to get the driver's side done today, and I'll start taking the top off and the cam and all that crap off tomorrow, hopefully. But we'll see how it goes. Anyway, that's the update. Full steam ahead. I'm gonna try to put a video out every day or every other day on this. So that's where I'm at. Alright. That's the exhaust side, all is gone. Thermostat housing set up there. 2 thermostats in them. Alright, man. That's it. Let's keep on trucking. Peace.